Good day, guys. Welcome back to this channel. Now, those of you that are yet to subscribe, please make sure you click on the subscribe button, like, and also make your comments. I would love to watch out for it. So, last week we actually did analysis for Euro USD. We told you guys that we would be having a bullish move right for the week, and eventually Euro USD actually gave us a bullish move. We actually opened and closed bullish, right? So, our analysis was actually correct. Same thing we predicted for last week. We told you guys that we will be having a bullish move. Price will open and close bullish. Same thing we did over 3 weeks, so and so on. So that is why I want you to subscribe if you are yet to subscribe. Now we want to know where this price will be moving for this week on Euro USD. In order to be able to predict this movement itself and to understand this movement, right, we would have to start from the higher time frame, which is the monthly time frame. So this monthly time frame, I'm going to analyze it from the higher time frame to understand what this movement is and why we'll be taking such trade. So when you take a look at this monthly time frame on Euro USD, previously we were having a bearish move, right? So I know around, this movement started 2021, right? You can say around that May, right? Price has been giving us a bearish move 2021. Then it was this November 2022, then no, this October 2022, we started having this bullish move on Euro USD. You can see the month of October, we opened and closed bullish. In the month of November, we opened and closed bullish. And now this is the month of December, and price has given us a bullish move. That is to tell you that 2022 December with has ended, right? So it is bullish. Now we are going to the month of January, and we want to know where this price will be moving. So all I can tell you that on the month of for the month of January, we would also get a bullish move. So we would see our price open and close bullish. So if you see it previously, you see that this price was giving us a bearish move, right? You can see it's trading this below the 10 period moving average. Now, those of you that don't really know how to trade this moving average, once the price is below the 10 period moving average, then it is a sell movement. All you should watch out for is a sell, right? But if it is above the moving average, then you have to go long. So you can see previously it was below this moving average. This is one of the reasons why Euro USD was getting a bearish move right around early 2022 and 2021 time. But now price has now given us a bullish move and it has broken above our 10 period moving average. So we will continue to go bullish. So is this bullish move over? Definitely not. This is one of the reasons why I said the month of January we would also expect it to go bullish. So I am watching us for one target which I talked about last week, and that level is 1.08199. So you can also go ahead and watch for that target. I would want this Euro USD to get to that target before you kind of get that drop. So I am watching now. So for this price to get to that target, I should be able to get close to 200 pips. So at least if I can grab about 100 pips on this my targets that I have set, I think I'll be okay for the week. Then maybe then price can now give me a pullback. But I've set this target and price can even break above it and push up. There's every possibility that price will break above this my targets that I've set and it will continue to go up. Above all, I'm watching out for that level. Now that should now take us to the weekly time frame. So in order to be able to predict this price for this week, right? Would want to know the trend. Right? Before you place your trade, you would want to ask yourself one question: what is the trend? Markets don't make three type of movements: uptrend move, downtrend move, or a ranging market move. So what you clearly can see on Euro USD is an uptrend move, right? So you see this as an highs. This will be seen as a pullback, right? A new highs on Euro USD, right? A pullback, right? Take a look at this, a new highs that broke this previous highs, right? And this is a pullback. Now we are getting a new highs. So we would expect more further highs. But if you take a look at this huge candlestick wick here, which is more visible on the daily time frame, this was a highs and a pullback occurred within this level. And right now, a new highs is to be formed that will take out this previous highs. And it will actually get to that my target that I am watching out for, which is 1.08199. Once price can get to that level, I believe a pullback would be made After the pullback has been made, then we would continue that bullish move. Above all, Euro USD, we would continue going bullish. You see, this week that just finished, we open and close bullish. Like, take a look at this moment here. You see, this week here, week 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. For good straight 6 week was a bullish move, right? Good straight 6 week was has given us a bullish move. So this week, which will be the seventh, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This week, which will be the seventh, will also give us a bullish move. So expect that further movement. And you can also see this price still trading above our 10 period moving average. Like I just say, as long as your price is trading above the 10 period moving average, then definitely it is a buy movement and you want to go ahead and go long. So this weekly time frame on Euro USD is a bullish move. Now let's take a look at this daily time frame. So if you have been following this channel consistently, right, I usually preach of trade what you see and not what you think. During that it was last week period, price was actually ranging within this level. So if you are following, you would have seen how I like take this level up and down. Don't worry, we will get into that on the forward time frame soon. But during this period, price was actually ranging here. So and we talked about price giving us a breakout, then coming to test this level and continue the bullish move. We've gotten that same movement on the forward time frame. So we will get into that soon. But at this week, that if this market opens, we would want to first of all take out this candlestick week highs here, which you can call a liquidity if you want to see it as a liquidity. See this candlestick week here, we want to see this price give us that bullish move to take it out. At least it will give us like 30 pips, right? So if you can get about 40 pips to take out this huge candlestick week here, then that is okay. Above all, Euro USD is still bullish. You can still see it's trading above our 10 period moving average. So see these movements like this as an ice, then this will be considered to be a pullback, then a new ice on Euro USD, and this will be seen as a pullback. This will be seen as a new ice that broke this previous ice, and here will be seen as a pullback. Now a new ice is forming, so we need this ice to take out this previous ice. So Euro USD still on a bullish move and still trading above our 10 period moving average. Now, when you go to the 4-hour time frame that we were talking about, right? When we were doing a daily analysis, you can see this price ranging. How we take out this ice to be our resistance level, and we took this ice to be our support level, and we talked about price giving us back and forth movements. Once it comes to the support level, we tend to see it give us a bullish move to the resistance, and again downward to our support level, and again a bullish move to the resistance. And you can see it. So basically price has been ranging, but now we can now see this price has gone bullish, that it has given us a breakout. It has given us a breakout of out of our resistance level. Then price kind of give us like a pullback. What next? Another impulse move. After this impulse move, of course, a correction. And what do we expect next? A further bullish move, right? So this is what we'll be expecting on Euro USD, further bullish move. And as you can still see it is trading above this 10 period moving average. So definitely Euro USD for this week, we should all watch out for a bullish move.